Little storyteller.
Chloe. A little girl with bright blue eyes and a sprinkle of freckles across her nose stood in the sunny kitchen. Her mommy was making a yummy chocolate cake. A big blue bowl sat on the counter, filled with gooey, brown batter. It smelled sweet and chocolatey, like a dream in a bowl. Chloe's tummy rumbled. She reached out a little finger towards the bowl. The batter looked so smooth and tasted so good when Mommy let her have a tiny lick. But Mommy gently took her hand. "The batter is yummy, Chloe," she said with a smile, "but it will be even yummier as a cake. Let's wait for it to bake." Chloe looked at the oven. It was a big silver box with a little window. She watched as the brown batter went into a round pan and then disappeared inside. Chloe felt a little sad. She really wanted to taste that sweet batter again. To distract her, Mommy gave her a picture book about a fluffy bunny. The bunny had long floppy ears and a cotton ball tail. Chloe loved looking at the pictures. Soon a warm, yummy smell filled the kitchen. It smelled even better than the batter. Chloe peeked at the oven. The batter had grown into a big, fluffy cake. It was golden brown on top and looked so soft. Mommy carefully took the cake out of the oven. After the cake cooled, Mommy cut a big slice for Chloe. It was light and fluffy and tasted even more delicious than the batter. Chloe smiled, her blue eyes wide with happiness. Waiting made the yummy treat even better. Mommy smiled too. "Chloe," she said, "waiting for something good can make it even more special. It's like planting a tiny seed. It takes time, but then you get a beautiful flower." Chloe giggled, taking another bite of her fluffy cake. She learned that being patient could lead to something wonderful.
Please subscribe. Thank you.